I concede, and therefore I will not sign the 2024 finance bill, and it shall subsequently be withdrawn.
Kenyan President William Ruto said whether he won't sign into law a financial bill proposing new taxes a day after protesters stormed the parliament and several people died. It was the biggest assault on the Kenya's government in decades. The government wanted to raise funds to pay off debt, but Kenyans said the bill caused more economic pain as millions struggle to get by. The choice on Tuesday led the government to deploy the military, and Ruto called protesters' action treasonous. The president now says the bill caused widespread uh, dissatisfactions, and he has listened and conceded it is a major setback for Ruto, who came to power vowing to help Kenyans cope with rising costs, but has seen much of the country, led by youth, and unite in opposition to his latest attempt at reform. Ruto said it is necessary for us to have a conversation as a nation on how to do we manage the affairs of the country together. Kenyan faced the lingering smell of tears, gas, and military in the streets a day after the latest protest saw thousands storm parliament, an act of defiance that Ruto has called an existential threat. At least 22 people were killed, a human rights group said, and police were accused of some shooting death. Ruto acknowledged deaths, called it an unfortunate situation, and offered condolences. He said about 200 people had been wounded. Nairobi has seen protests in the past, but activists and others warned the strikes were more dangerous. Ruto on Thursday vowed to quash unrest at whatever cost, even as more protests were called at State House on Tuesday. We are dealing with a new phenomenon and a group of people that is not predictable. It would have been the normal demonstration. I had said it will fizzle out with time, but we don't know whether these people will fear the army, said Herman Manyora, an analyst and professor at the University of Nairobi. He said the president missed an opportunity in his nation addresses Tuesday night to adopt a more conciliatory approach. Kenya's High Court on Wednesday ordered the military department suspended after a challenge by the Kenyan's Law Society. There were no reports of violence Wednesday, but there were fear. Civil society groups have reported uh, adoptions of people involved in recent protests and expect more to come. The High Court ordered police to release all people arrested in the protest. Ruto said this allegedly adopted had been released or proceeded in court. Many young people who helped vote Ruto into power in 2022 with cheers of his promises of economic relief now object to the pain of reforms. Part of the parliament building burned, burned Tuesday, and crashes occurred in several communities beyond the capital. At least 22 people were killed, the Kenyan National Human Rights Commission said. Commission chairperson Rosalind Adede, Odede said 300 others were injured and 50 people were arrested. So, brothers and sisters, what you see, the decision of Kenyan President not to sign the bill into law. Please let us know on the comment section. This is Facts About Africa, the African channel, your thought and changing narrative of Mother Africa. Sometimes we provide solution of our own problem because we believe that the African problem for African solution. This is all. Thanks for watching and let us meet on the next episode.